Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an email address. Now, if you don't already have an email address, essentially what it is a server or a website will allow you to send and receive messages through their servers. It's similar to having a phone number and people texting you back and forth, but instead of a phone number that they text, it's through an email address. So the email address is formatted usually like this. This example is trevor@gmail.com. So the beginning part, Trevor, is what you would choose. That's usually like your name or whatever you want it to be. And then it's always followed by an @ symbol. And then whatever website or company hosts those emails. In this case, gmail.com is Google. So you'll be able to see here, it says most popular free email providers. The most popular one is Google's Gmail. And then the second to that is iCloud email, and then Outlook, Yahoo, Proton, Zoho, and AOL as well. Now, if you wanted to create an email address, just open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. And on here, we're going to go and search for Gmail. Again, I would recommend signing up for Gmail. It's completely free. It gives you a lot of storage and space to be able to send and receive those emails. And it's a world-class email provider. So just type in Gmail, again, Gmail. And you can see on here, it says Gmail. Now, we don't already have an email address, so we're gonna hit create a Gmail account. Just tap on that. It will walk you through the process of creating that account, and I'll show you how it works. Let's go down and hit create an account. And now from here, it first initially just logged me into this account, but let's say I wanted to create a new one because in this case, you wouldn't have an existing Gmail account. I have a couple already, but I'm gonna hit create account here. And you can choose whether this is a personal use for your child or for a work business. In this case, personal use. Now it'll ask you for your name, and in my case, I'll just enter Trevor and a last name. You can enter that in if you wanted to and hit next. After you've done that, you're gonna enter in your date of birth, the month, day, the year, and the gender as well. And after you go through that process, you can just hit next, and it will ask you to choose what this beginning part is. Again, it will be whatever you want and then @gmail.com. So it has to be unique. So of course, Trevor@gmail.com is taken, or John@gmail.com or whatever. So it would have to be unique. Most people use their first and last name. And if that is taken already, then they'll add some number to the end, like Trevor Nace 10 or something like that. Just add a number to the end of that, and then you'll sign up for that Gmail account. If you wanted to be able to check it on your iPhone, you can always just head into the settings app of your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps at the bottom. And then we can just scroll down until we get to the mail app. This is how you can send and receive those emails. Tap on mail here and then mail accounts. Now from here, all you need to do is tap on add an account, and you're gonna enter in that email address that you just created from here, as well as the password that you chose, and you'll be able to send and receive emails directly through this mail app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.